Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to be taking you through some of my favourite slimming, toning, leg sculpting moves that won't just target the glutes and the outer thigh, but also a little through your waist too. All you need for these exercises is your mat, so let's get started. We're going to start in a side lying position, propped up on our elbow. In this position, you want to make sure that your elbow is directly underneath your shoulder. You're making sure that you're not pushing on the shoulder and pushing it forward. Rather, bring it back, lift up, and I want you to think about trying to lift your ear as far away from your shoulder as possible. Your abdominals are pulled in tight. You don't want the hips to be rotated, you want them to be nice and stacked. So think about everything being nice and square. Your back heel is in line with your tailbone, the top leg is extended nice and long. We're going to lift that leg in line with the hip, and we're going to rotate the leg so the heel is rotated towards the ground. Now we're going to flex the foot on the way forward, bring it in line with the hip, and then point and squeeze all the way back. Good, 9 more like this. Your side kick. So what you want to make sure of here is that your leg isn't dropping below hip height. So we don't want it to be down here. We want it to be nice and lifted, so we're working and making every single repetition count. 5 more, 5. And 4, 3 to go, and 2, 1 last time. Now bring it back in line with your hip. This time turn your toes down. When you let your foot drop, your knee will naturally internally rotate. So you're going to drop the toe down towards the ground. Just lift to hip height. 9, and 8, 7. Keep that leg nice and long. 6, and 5. 4 more. Lifting up through the shoulders. 3, 2. Hold this last one up. Point through the toe here and just nice small circles. Good. 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2. Change directions. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Close it all the way in and lower down. Repeat that same series of exercises on the other side, and if you want a really challenging and effective workout, repeat the entire circuit 3 times through. For more fantastic, effective and challenging Pilates workouts, check out our online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have over 500 full-length, real-time, amazing workouts there waiting for you. I can't wait to see you at the next one.